In this video, how to fix cannot uninstall Lenovo Vantage on Windows. From the control panel, you may only see the Lenovo Vantage service available for removal. To uninstall Lenovo Vantage, go to Windows Settings. If the app is not listed in Windows Settings or cannot be uninstalled, you can remove it using PowerShell. Right-click on the Windows Start icon and open PowerShell as administrator. Get the list of installed Lenovo apps. Then remove them. As you can see, the Lenovo Vantage is removed automatically. Finally, remove the Lenovo Vantage service from the Windows settings or control panel. That's it. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe, and see you in next videos.